Unlocking Imagination, Imagery and Sensory Language in Children's Literature. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to dive into a vibrant world of colors, sounds, smells, and feelings. That's right, we're exploring the magical realm of imagery and sensory language, specifically in the context of children's literature. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these techniques to make your writing more engaging and vivid. Before we delve into the details, let's understand the basics. Imagery is a writing technique that employs words and phrases to create mental images for the reader. It involves the use of detailed descriptions involving the five senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste. Sensory language, on the other hand, refers to words and phrases that appeal to the reader's senses. It helps them visualize the scene, feel the emotions, and get immersed in the story. Remember, when we write, especially for children, we want to create a world that's vivid and engaging, and nothing accomplishes this better than using rich imagery and sensory language. Imagery and sensory language are crucial in children's literature because they make the narrative alive and exciting. Young readers have a vivid imagination, and these techniques help to stimulate that imagination, creating a more enriching reading experience. For instance, instead of saying, "The cake was delicious," you could write, "The cake was a feast of flavors, with sweet strawberries, creamy vanilla frosting, and a hint of tangy lemon." This description is more effective because it lets the reader experience the cake's taste, as if they are actually eating it. Let's look at some examples from popular children's books. 1. The Very Hungry Caterpillar, by Eric Carle. This book is a fantastic example of visual imagery. The caterpillar, eating its way through the various pages, gives children a vivid visual image of what's happening. 2. Where the Wild Things Are, by Maurice Sendak. This book is full of sensory language that makes the wild rumpus in Max's imagination come alive. When you're writing for children, don't be afraid to be descriptive and use a variety of sensory details. To incorporate imagery and sensory language in your writing. 1. Identify the senses. Before you start writing, identify which of the five senses you want to appeal to. 2. Be descriptive. Don't just tell, show. Use descriptive words to create a vivid picture. 3. Use metaphors and similes. These are excellent tools for creating vivid imagery. 4. Avoid clichés. Originality will make your description stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes some time to get the hang of it. That's all for today's video on imagery and sensory language in children's literature. I hope this has given you a better understanding of these crucial elements and how they can be used to bring a story to life, particularly for young, imaginative minds. Keep practicing these techniques in your writing, and I'm confident you'll see a remarkable improvement. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!